This is a PIR sensor. This one, it looks like a little dome here, towering sensor in the center. This is the layout of the circuit diagram. The ground connects to the ground in the Arduino circuit board. Digital out go to the PWM, one of the pins that you can use, and this one goes to the positive 5 volt power supply. There are two potentiometers here to delay the time. You can adjust here and the sensitivity of the motion here. Once you have detected a motion, the delay time kicks in to detect again. This is the code to test out the passive infrared sensor or PIR, also known as the motion sensor. I have this PWM which corresponds to the pin on the Megaboard number 8. This is pin 8. I will connect to pin 8. Then I have a read PIR set to 0 to say that the motion is not detect anything moving. Message show once you detected something, you don't want the message to continuously prompt or display on the screen. Serial begin is where the message will appear. I've set to 9600 and this is 9600. Serial print line, it will print this onto the message board here. Motion sensor arm and it prints onto the board here. Okay. Same, we have the loop. The loop will constantly do a read of the pin integer PWM. In this pin mode, we will set an input because you are expecting the motion sensor to detect something and feed back into the Arduino board. Once the motion is detected, it will give you a number 1. This is the one here, 1. And if no message showing here, I will now show the message number 1. Then I set the message to true because I don't want it to keep repeating and repeating and repeating. If this one keep repeating, you will see motion detected multiple lines. When the motion sensor is not detecting anything, since the message is already true, I will now set it to false and do a scanning, and it won't show once. Let me clear the output and you will look at the Arduino board now. This is the motion sensor. I'm using what color as the sensor signals. Once the pin is connected, there will be motion and you can see that it is detected that the motion is on. Here. And now that I've moved my finger, it becomes motion detected. If you don't move, it will continue to scan for any motions. To test the PIR, if it's working or not, you do the same using a test meter. This is the positive. Touch the positive and then touch the signal data. Yeah. And this is the ground. This is how I test if I don't have a Arduino board. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe